Good day, my subscribers. Good day to those who are watching my video for the first time. And I again want to say thank you to those who subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate your support, guys. The channel is growing all because of you, and keep on spreading the word that there's something different this side by Jabulo Right. So, I've been honest with myself, and I've been giving you some crucial stuff for free here, and I've been sharing that the whole of last year. So this is a new year. This is 2022, and let's have more profits. Let's hit more take profits than stop losses, and let's use more of the things that we get. Let's take advantage of whatever we are given for free, if ever we receive anything um, of value that comes cheap, or that is free. So let's have the best trading year ever. Let's create more people. Let's create more wealth through trading this year. For it's either you trading v75 like I do, or you trading Nasdaq, or you trading gold, or even currencies. So this year we are going all out. We are going big this year. So I have a mentorship channel. I have two groups. I have those who subscribe for 30 days, and I have those who subscribe for full time. And in all those groups, I divulge something beyond this. And then if ever there's anyone who subscribe to my channel, please do ask that person if is this the same information or not that is there. So on my mentorship channels, we have Zoom once in each and every week. And then if ever you join, you have an opportunity to have one-on-one Zoom session with me if you join for 30 days. But for uh, lifetime, then is two Zoom session per month. And then for 90 days, that's three Zoom sessions, meaning is one Zoom session a month for those subscribed for 90 days. And I'm going now to show you something that I just did, but I will not show you everything, just to highlight you. This is from my mentorship channel, and I apologize for not giving you everything, because it will be unfair. Others paid, but you might be getting it for free, so that will not be fair. But I will highlight these things, so it is very important, so you might as well grab them and use them. Okay, so the year have started, so the peeps also have to start. Okay, so we are back from holidays. Everyone is sober now. It's the 11th of January today. E- Everyone is back in their sober mind. So if ever you want to join my mentorship, or one of my mentorship channels, the options are 30 days, 90 days, and lifetime. Okay, so we'll discuss on the other side, because I will leave my Telegram link on the description below. So that's where you can talk to me direct them. Okay. Um, and also these PDFs that has been talking about, they're available that side. So yeah, this is your lucky day. If ever you're watching this, just hit me on the link, so I'll give you one of the PDFs. So it's up to me to give you to see which one you get. But whichever PDF you'll get, it is very important. Okay. So thank you so much again for watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, because you might be missing out on a lot of things that will come this year. So this year we go big or we go home, but we choose to go big. We don't choose to go home. So that was 5 minutes of my intro, guys. So okay, let me show you what I just did. Okay, okay, this thing is okay. This thing decided to freeze on me. Okay, okay. I have this PDF titled "Exclusive Vigo Order Block Trading Setups." So it starts with a question, and then it followed, and then the answer follows after that. Question and answer, question and answer, question and answer, question and answer, and then it goes with all the then it goes with all the diagrams. Okay, and then to explain something further. So I think I will stop here. Yeah, for all the purpose of this video, I will stop here. I'm not saying I'll stop on this diagram that you see now. So let me take you through my PDF. The first question is, what is an order block? This I don't have to explain, and how to identify it I don't have to explain, so I'll skip that to save. And then after the block of market structure, always we must identify where the order block is, and then observe where the pullback starts to go retest the identified order block. Okay, how then do we know a pullback is about to start after the break of market structure? On a bullish trend, the pullback starts when we have a minor lower low. This a minor low. This a minor lower low here. This a bullish move. A minor lower low away from the point where structure is broken, and after that change of character occurs. Okay, so a change of character did occur here. So this is a bullish move. Then this is a minor lower low, far from where the break of market structure happened. So the change of character or did okay here. So on a bearish trend, the pullback starts when we have a minor higher high, okay, with a minor higher high here, away from the point where structure is broken. The structure got broken, so the minor higher high is here, and after that the change of character will occur. Okay, so now I've been saying change of character once, twice. Okay, so what then is a change of character? If I can pause this video here, if I can pause for a second and ask you what's a change of character, can you say what's a change of character? And if you cannot, let me explain to you what's a change of character with a diagram. I will read simultaneously while I point on the diagram. This is when price makes a move up on a bullish move. Okay, it makes the move up, then price uh, starts here to make a move up. Okay, and then it ends here, and and then uh, and then takes the previous low, take out the previous low. Okay, so price comes say to took out this previous low, and then again take the newly formed uh high. This is the newly formed high, so with this move it took out this, and then come back to mitigate the second then mitigate the candle that started the second move up. This is the second move up, so price will come and mitigate there, and then it pushes up. So this is basically what the change of character is. So this is something that sometimes in one of my videos I used to call it, and I still call it the micro structure, and others call it the minor structure. Some call it the internal structure. So please note, this change of character can happen with candles only, not without a big structure. With 1, 2, 3, 4 candles only. So it's a change of structure. So again, another question says, when do you know that the trend is changing? Then the answer is, in a bullish market, you know the trend is changing when high low couldn't hold price, then lower low is formed. So this is simple. I don't even have to explain it, as you can see in the diagram. And then we have a high, we have a low, then okay, we have a low, we have a high, we have higher low, then we have a higher high here. So if price is violated here, so we now know that the trend is changing. So on a bearish market, it's usually opposite on what happens on the bullish market. So there's no need to go and explain that. Okay, so we have a strong high and a strong low and a weak low and a low and a weak high. How do you know a high? How do we know a high is strong, or how do we know that this is a weak or a strong high? The strong low is the one that breaks the structure, and then again, whenever we trade this, so we definitely know that after we identify the trend change here, our point of interest would be where the moves they started. Okay, so this is a very strong low, so we do not expect price to trade below this. Why do you say that? Because it broke the structure. So should it trade below this, then please go back and look at my video where I talk about the breaker block. So that will help you understand what to do when price goes beyond this point and when price goes beyond this point. So this is for the bearish, this is for the bullish. So as much as I explained for the bullish move, so is the opposite is the bullish is opposite of the bearish. So whatever happened on the bullish, it is likely to happen on the bearish. Whenever you analyze something on the bullish, just flip your chart around, and then you'll see that it's exactly the same thing. Okay, this do I pause here? Okay, let me pause here. Keep this in mind. A higher high, this is a higher high. Our eyes simultaneously read as I point out to the diagram. A higher high that forms a high low is a weak high because it failed to take out uh, the low. So 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 now this higher high, it formed this high low and it failed to take out this previous low, and then it formed a higher higher. So whenever we are on this move, if ever we observe the trend change here, this is definitely our take profit here, because price did not go down there. So this high is very weak, so price will come to it or even violate it further. Okay, so as I said, I will not explain much. Um, then a lower low that forms a lower high is a weak low because it failed to take out the previous high where price comes from. So when you trade such, the lower low here is definitely our point. It's our point of interest or target. So if ever we sell from here, so here you can pile as much money as you have. I used to say all the money. So let me just say as much money as you have, you can take a sell here. So your take profit is definitely here. Okay. So 6 key points when trading an order block. Number one, use high time frame order blocks. Why do we do that? Because high time frames have more orders than any lower time frames, hence they hold. So I'll not explain this. When trading order block, use the origin candle that identifies the order block in the time frame that we refined to. Okay. Um, Always ignore the noise with other candles that might look like other blocks. Also, this is clear. I don't have to explain this. So, for the purpose of my time and my other commitments, guys, I have to stop here on the third key point. So wait for liquidity to be formed and grab before taking a trade on an identified order block, either for a buy or a sell. Wait for those equal highs or equal lows to be swept before you take a trade. So these equalize and the these here these are equal highs, and then these are equal lows. So as retail traders, we used to say double top or triple top or double bottom or triple bottom. So as time evolves, everything changes, and the terminology of a lot of things it changes. So we cannot be ignorant of such, so we have to go with the time. So if ever you're a retail trader, still you're okay to identify this, but what we differ with you and I is the terminology, but the identification is the same, and the functions of them, then they differ. Because as a retail trader, you are told that on the third touch, definitely price will change, so you'll have to sell. But no, that is not always the case there, because when price comes down, as long as we have an order block and then we have all the qualities or the characteristics of this order block here, price will just come here, and then after that it will change direction to this order block. So if ever you pile your sellers, so you'll be out. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I stopped at number 3 for 6 points. So this is important. So for the sake of my time and other commitments and other things, this is what you should look out for. Can I be generous enough and show you these things on a chart? The change of character, remember I said you do not need the whole chart to say change of character, only with candles. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles only, so that's a change of character. And then why do I say it's a change of character? We have this move up, it started here, then we have this move down, started here, and then we have a move up that took out the open and the close of these candles. Then price definitely have to come down to this trend line, yeah. So if you zoom out once, let's see, the price come down to this candle? Definitely it did come here. Okay, so that is the change of character. And then on H4, what did I highlight? Okay, this is something else. Okay, um okay, the strong low. Okay, this is a strong low because it took out this high here. So we wait for price to come down here. And then how do you anticipate price to come down here? We expect that the trend change here, low up or low, price have to come back and then shoot down again. Okay, um then this is the weak high here. And why is this the weak high? Because with the high we have a low, then with a higher high, and then with a high low. Instead of having a lower low, then we have a high low. So this is a weak high. Price definitely had to come back and violate this, as you can see, this move here. Okay, what else do I have? What else do I have? What else do I have here? I think that's all the markups that I wanted to show you guys as per the notes, as per PDF. So guys, once more, thank you for subscribing. If you ever want to join my mentorship channel, I'm available anytime. Please do talk to me, so we'll make arrangement about the payment of those different channels, and you get the everything that I trade and more. Okay guys, Njablo speaking here. I'm out. Cheers.